I have a Thermador mircowave that is dead. It has a trim kit. I would like to just replace it, but the MCES is discontinued. What microwave can I order that will fit in that same space?
Do you know the model of your Thermador microwave? How old is it?
2015 MCES/01.
How long has this been going on with your Thermador microwave? What have you tried so far?
Got a technician out because it was making a loud noise and smoking back in December. He said it was dead. That we needed to get a new one, but the make we have is discontinued.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The microwave has a trim kit around it. Not sure if I can keep that kit and just replace the microwave, or if they are connected. Need to know what to look for as replacement.
Hello. I'm Bobby and I can help. I'm a specialist that works as an independent contractor for JustAnswer that is compensated by acceptance after your question is answered and problem is resolved. May I have the full model number, please? I'm waiting for a reply before proceeding to ensure the question is not abandoned.
Thermador MCES/01.
They are discontinued, but you are able to talk with Thermador themselves or a dealer of Thermador, which this link below will guide you. You can keep the trim kit, but that's only if you're replacing with another Thermador. This link below is Thermador page and your Thermador model. Let me know if you need further help. Thanks www.thermador.com/a/support detail/product/ma/01#.
I already did talk to Thermador. I knew they were discontinued already when I called them. They said none of their new models would fit this space. I need another microwave that has good reviews that will fit in that casing. Can you help?
https://www.abt.com/product/71359/Viking243 Series 2.0 QFT stainless steel countertop or built-in microwave oven RVM320ss.html. Cam type equals CP cuz Google pla and source equals Google and medium equals SC and campaign equals SC %20 shopping %20 20 USA %20 PLA %20 20 brand %20 20 mobile and GCLID equals Chukaya Jessup Hapayu Akshurshis 5 Mayaj Nai FD 8D Utsi ZC1 Co _LBG2 Fat 3 FSB Cout 805 Chalk 3 Fakov _BWA was referring to the incorrect unit, the MCT30JS. The capability of the Viking has the same overall specs. There's a link above.
Do I need to purchase the ventilator kit also? Customer attachment February 2, 2021 5:40 and 25 seconds p.m. For the Viking microwave to replace my Thermador. Would I need this Viking interior power ventilator kit? It seems like it is a good bit smaller. Would there be extra space there? Going from height, 14 and 13/16 to 13 and 3/8.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.